Pure Magic Chocolush biscuits covered in fluffy pancake batter is the definition of 100% chocolate and 100% maza. Hi, I'm Mini Mathur and you're watching the Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today I'm going to be making you some Chocolush fritters. You're going to love it. You're actually going to love this recipe because whenever the kids need an urgent dessert, or if you've got an afternoon sweet craving, this is just the perfect thing to make because these ingredients are easily available in the house. So let's get on with it. Okay, you take the bowl. I'll take the flour, and this is a special Mini Mathur tip. Even if you're making pancake batter, it's very nice if you could sift the flour because then it airs out the flour and it makes the pancake batter very fluffy when you fry it. To this, I'm going to add my baking soda. I always take out the knots because it's very difficult to take out the baking soda knots once they're in. So now I've combined my dry ingredients. Now I've got melted butter, which you can do in a microwave quite easily. Your egg, you can whip it and put it, it's easy. But since we're going to mix it all up in any case, put the egg directly, and of course vanilla essence. Chunky tip of the day is that you can actually add some orange essence or lemon essence, whatever you like, almond essence if you're into almond. It always gives a different flavor every time. So whatever you think goes well with chocolate, hazelnut, just add it. For now I'm using vanilla. Simple whisk. And now I'm going to add the milk that gives this beautiful. Now all my pancake ingredients are basically in, and what I need to do is whisk it really well. So if you have like a electric mixer or a KitchenAid, let it do all the work. Otherwise it actually just takes 2 minutes to make pancake batter. This is a good Sunday breakfast recipe as well. Now my batter is absolutely ready. It's smooth, there are no lumps. I'm going to be using the Pure Magic Chocolush for my fritters because it already has like this oozy chocolate, molten chocolate center, which is just perfect for these fritters. Make sure there's enough batter around it and it's fully coated. Slip it in. This is already smelling so delicious. I can't wait to pop it in my mouth. You know, this is something that you can actually make if you have guests for tea and you don't know what to do for like the sweet, and you've got all the savory sorted. This is just the best. Just make sure that you're stocked up with biscuits. The rest you'll always have in your house. There's one more thing. You don't need to add sugar to the batter because the biscuit already is sweet and you're going to be sugar dusting it on top. So there's really no need. Just flip it over once it's browned from one side nicely. And these choco fritters are absolutely done. I'm going to take them out now. The moment they look beautifully golden brown, you take them out. I'll give you another crazy tip. If you're too lazy to make the pancake batter, just take a slice of bread, wet it in milk, squeeze the milk out, wrap the Chocolush biscuit around it and fry it. It's amazing. Yes, we are done. Yum! You could also create a dip which you make out of, like a white custard or white chocolate dip, and it would just taste absolutely awesome. And just to pretty it up, I'm going to give it a little bit of a sugar dusting because we did not add any sugar in the batter. The chocolate has its own sweet. Some of the sugar on top is going to be completely drowned out by the batter, but just add it, it's yum. Your guests and your kids are sure to enjoy the rich chocolate in these Pure Magic Chocolush fritters. I'm absolutely sure about it. I love it. So if you enjoyed the recipe as much as I enjoyed making it, please drop a like. You must share it with your friends. And of course, to keep abreast with the Britannia Dessert Carnival, do subscribe.